Hi, this is Stephen Katz with Skyladder Drones. I wanted to show you a sample tank inspection we've done. Um, this is an orthomosaic, so this will be able to allow you to get measurements from this, like measuring the distance of the pipe to the end of this. You can easily get a measurement for it of 18 feet. You can do this via georeferencing, so adding ground control points can get you even more accuracy. Um, you can also measure an area or a volume. So, for example, you wanted to understand how much this area was in terms of just the size of the area, in case you need to replace maybe a catch tank. So you can select around it and quickly know that it's 1.5 acres or 7,759 feet. So, and again, the relative measurements are really pretty good. You're also able to measure the volume. So if you select just one area, and this would be, for example, a tank, you can measure what the volume of that tank is. So the volume of that area would be 1,423 cubic yards. Usually this is used for stockpiles of dirt and things like that. But this would be a good way to measure other things such as a volume of could be of anything. So again, really cool tools if you're capturing everything correctly and using the right tool. This is one of the software programs that's available. There's lots of other ones available. One of the other neat things is really just to use this for inspection. So as you can see, we can zoom in real well. You can actually even go to the actual photo and see individual rivets, which we'll see in a second. You can also show the 3D model. The 3D model might take a couple minutes to dry. No, there it is. The 3D model is actually a really good representation of these tanks in their relative environment, which is really neat. You're able to slide around, up and down, and more importantly, if captured properly, you could actually zoom in and see pretty good detail. In this case, starts to blur out a little bit, but you can definitely see, you can almost see the manufacturer of the numbers. If we captured it with that intent, we probably could have find the manufacturer of this sign. But you can see that there's a rust here. You can see there's a rust area here. We actually use a third-party tool to annotate these, and so our clients can go back and review just that area. Um, the 3D model does a terrific job to give you the reference in space. Our portal, which you'll see in a separate video, actually shows you photos placed at what height they're at and where they are on the tank, which is another neat way to do it. So you can kind of do it a few different ways. Um, if we look at the images here, and for example, try to find something of maybe the front of the tank. Let's slide around and find one of the front of the tank. You're able to actually kind of get even more and better detail. So there's a front of a tank. Let's let it kind of, and if you zoom in, for example, there you go. This is just the built-in viewer, but you could quickly see if there's any paint. You can see the paint's coming off, and again, you can actually even see every individual rivet and the rust here, and the rust below the area too. So lots of really neat tools that you can use. And it looks like we might even be able to read. No, we can't zoom close enough to see the manufacturer's the sign, but as you can see, really great detail. So the individual pictures are actually usually better resolution than the 3D model, but the 3D model in space, it just shows other things you can fly through. You can actually even mock up things, so you can actually even like imagine another uh, tank here. Or if you remove a tank and using a couple different tools, you would actually see the pipes that are running behind it because we captured the pipes behind it. So if we get rid of the tank, you'd see what's around, what's left behind. So hopefully you find this interesting and how it could possibly be used in your business. Um, Vertical inspections are a great asset for to keep people off ladders, to keep people off ropes, and more importantly, just to allow the people that need to go look at it or re-inspect it in a little more detail to look at specific areas that you could not see from the ground. Hope this is helpful, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.